Hello, Arham. Yes, last time we did the worksheet of page number 1, my computer. Yes, Kasim, this page we are going to do. This one page. Everyone bring a ICT worksheet with you with the pencil. Today we are going to do the second worksheet. In last class, what did we do? Can anyone explain it to me? What did we study in the last class? Tabish, please explain it to me. What did we study in last class? Unmute your mic and explain it to me. Everyone, be ready and prepare. I'm going to ask every one of you. What did we study in our last class? Tabish, beta, unmute your mic. Hello, Arham. Good to see you. How are you? Thumbs up if you are good. Tabish, hello. I think Tabish camera is stuck. So, Arham, how are you? Yes, Haya Saleh, good to see it. Can you explain it to me? What did we study in our last class? Haya Saleh, unmute your mic, please. Yes, Umme Hani, I see the raising hand. Please hold it a minute. Can you explain it to me? What is this?
Parts of a computer.
Yes, Umme Hani, this worksheet will we want to do.
से बताओ टीचर को पार्ट्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर वो आपसे क्वेश्चन कर रही है
Haya Saleh, I'm asking you, what did we study in our last class?
वो देख रही है मुझे पता है
Everyone.
Parts of a computer.
Part of a computer. Well done. Please, which part we study next? Yes. What part we study last time?
Monitor, CPU.
Number 1.
Monitor.
Very nice.
CPU.
Good.
Keyboard.
Nice.
Mouse.
Yeah, good. Yeah, very good. Haya Saleh, good job. Umme Hani. Yes. Yes, Umme Hani. What is monitor used for? Why we use monitor? What is the function of a monitor? Can you tell me?
Keyboard.
Okay, I know keyboard.
Speaker. Printer.
Okay, but printer, we didn't study printer last time.
ICT.
CPU.
CPU.
CPU, okay, that's great. Okay, Umme Hani, my question for you is, can you tell me why monitor is used for? What is monitor is used for?
Brain.
Umme Hani, can you hear my question? Monitor, I'm talking about monitor. What is monitor used for?
Very hot.
Monitor.
Computer is brain.
CPU.
Monitor is
Okay.
brain.
What is monitor used for? Hamza. What is monitor used for? Yes, Hamza, I can hear you now. Monitor. Hello, Anam Azam. Hamza, can you answer me? What is monitor used for?
Display device.
Very good, Hamza. Good job. Display device. Good job. Now, CPU is the brain of a computer. Answered by Umme Hani. And monitor is a display device. Answered by Hamza Salman. Next, what is CPU? What is keyboard used for? Qasim Gohar, can you answer me?
Yes.
What is keyboard used for?
CPU.
No CPU, only keyboard.
Keyboard.
I'm asking you, what is keyboard?
CPU. Right. Keyboard. CPU.
Yes. Okay.
Mouse.
Okay.
Speaker.
All right. We didn't study our speaker. Who told you speaker? Okay, never mind. Can you answer this question? Then what is keyboard used for?
Printer. Printer.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Can you answer me, Kasim? What is keyboard used for? Keyboard किस लिए use होता है? Can you answer me this question?
For typing.
Good. Well done, Kasim. Good job. Okay, next question is by Tabish. Tabish, what is mouse used for? Mouse को use क्या है? What is the use of a mouse? Unmute your mic first. Yes.
Drag.
Drag. Good. That's good. And
Drag and click.
well done, Tabish. Good job. You guys are champ. You all know the answers. Very good. You already know the answers of 4 computer parts. Now we are going to mix and match. You know the name? Now we are going to do this worksheet. I'm going to share the screen with you. I'm going to show you which worksheet we are going to work on. Okay, this one's worksheet needs to be done now so that you guys know now the name. So you can do the worksheet now. The worksheet number which I'm talking about is this one. Everybody can see the picture now? Thumbs up if you can see it. Show me your thumbs up. I can't see thumbs up, everyone. Show me your thumbs up. If you can see this, show me your thumbs up, please. Yes, Hayat Saleh, good, and I'm good. Yes. Kasim, Hamza, Mehani, yes, this worksheet I'm talking about. Please show me a thumb if you can see my screen. The screen I'm sharing with you. Can you see the screen? Yes, the worksheet we are going to do is this one. Now you know the 4 parts. Let's match the first 4 parts. What you're going to do is first thing is write down your name below the class mention. In this worksheet, in the top of it, there is a name, student name. Write down your name over here. Hurry up. Do it now. Write down your own name over here. Yes, good, good. Keep writing. Good job, everyone. I'm watching everyone. Arham, can you adjust your camera a little bit lower? I can't see your face. A little bit lower down your camera. Hamza, where are you? Yes, now I can see you. Hello, Abdul Karim. I can't see your face. On the camera, please. Write down your name in front of the student name here. Write down your name over here. Hello, Abdul Karim. I can see you now. How are you? Thumbs up if you're good. Now everyone's done with the name. Okay, that's great. Now the next column, there's mentioning a date. Date. Write down today's date. Today's date is 3rd July 2020. Write down the date 3rd July 2020. 3rd July 2020. The topic is my computer. You all have a computer? Thumbs up if you all have a computer. Show me your thumbs up, please. Once you're done, show me your thumbs up. You're done, Hamza? You're done writing your name and date? Good, Kasim, you are fastest one. Good job. Nice. Hurry up. I'm waiting. Yes, Haya Saleh, please do it. Do it. So put something in front of your sheet, Hamza. Your sheet is flowing. Put something heavy in front of the top of your sheet. Okay. Are you guys done with the name and date? Okay, what you got to do is, do not show me your worksheet because I know you are doing that. Yes, Anam, Azam, I see that you are done. Okay, yes, I see you are also done. Good, good, good. That's great. Now everyone, you know the four important parts. Four important parts of a computer. What you're going to do in this worksheet is match the following with the correct computer parts. Match the following with the correct computer parts. Now you know the four parts of a computer. You can easily find out the four parts. The two parts which I haven't given you the clue what it is the remaining two part I will study you after this worksheet, okay? First, you will join the four parts. Find out their names. What is this? The first picture. What is this first picture? Yes, Tabish, answer me. What is the first picture name?
CPU.
Good job. Can you find out the CPU? Match the word with the picture. Put a scale on the paper and match the CPU word to the CPU picture. Good, good, very good.
CPU.
Good. Now match the CPU with the CPU word. Where is the CPU? Find it and match it with the CPU. Good. Anam, you are done. Oh, Anam, what is this? Can you show it to me close up because I can't see it properly? A little bit closer, please. Okay, okay, okay. Done. Good. Everyone, are you done with the first one? Shall I move to the second? Go, okay. Everyone, please thumbs up so that I can move to the second. Done? Okay, done. Then that's nice. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Good, good, good. Everyone is showing me thumbs. That's very fast. You guys are very fast. Good job. Good, Anam. Good. Okay, the next picture. What is the next picture? Yes, Hamza. Oh, wait. Who's left? Abdul Karim. What is the next picture? Please unmute your mic and answer me. What is this next picture called? The next picture. What is the name of the next picture? Abdul Karim, please unmute your mic and answer me. I can't hear you. First, unmute your mic. There is this label on the screen saying unmute, unmute, UNMUTE. Is there any other beside Abdul Karim? Please unmute his mic. Abdul Karim, please call someone to unmute your mic. Yes, now I can hear you. Please speak up.
Yes, miss.
What is the second picture called?
Yes, miss.
Abdul Karim, I can hear you now. Can you tell me what is the second picture
I
called?
am Abdul Karim.
Hello, Abdul Karim. Can you tell me what is the second picture name?
Yes,
What is the
miss.
name of
I
the...
am Abdul Karim.
Okay, Abdul Karim, can you hear my voice? Abdul Karim, can you tell me ये वाली जो picture I'm showing you, ये इस picture का name क्या है? What is this name of this picture? What is the name of this picture, Abdul Karim? Hello, Abdul Karim.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. I am Abdul Karim.
Abdul Karim, I think you are not hearing my voice. I'm asking you a question, Abdul Karim. Can you tell me what is the second
Yes,
picture?
miss.
Second picture name, Abdul Karim. Name me the
मिस
second
आपकी
picture.
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही. Okay, everyone else, if you hear my voice, please thumbs up so that I can answer Abdul Karim. Haya, Hamza, Qasim, Ummehani, Anam, Tabish, can you hear my voice loud and clear? Thumbs up if you can hear my voice loud and clear. Hamza, Qasim, Haya. Yes. Qasim, there must be the problem with your speaker. Beta, I am speaking loud and clear. Please check it. The next question, please. I'm asking someone else. What is the second picture called? Who joined me now? Anam. Anam Azam, please ask me the question. Answer me. What is this picture called? Well done, Anam. That's great. That's great. Good job. Now, everyone, this is answer given by Anam. Now find the monitor written over here and match it with the picture of a monitor. Can you do it? Do it now. Yes, Ummehani, you're done? Done? Oh, wow, you're fast. Super girl. Oh, that's right, Dabish. Good, Anam. Good, Haya. Yes, Kasim, Hamza, you are done also. Arham, you are done. Arham, I can see only the eyes of your face. Can you put down the camera? Yes, teacher. Okay. Yes, done. Okay, that's great. Ummehani, I see your drawing. Okay, the third. What is the third picture? Who's going to answer me? Arham. Arham, where are you? Arham, hello. He's gone? Okay. Who else is here? Ummehani. Yes, what is the third picture called?
Keyboard.
Good job. That's right. It's a keyboard. Please match the keyboard word with the picture. Find out the keyboard word and match it with, wow, Tabish, that's a really nice flower. But it's an ICT class, so I won't be talking about arts, okay? Well, a lovely flower. I can't stop myself from saying, okay. Okay, back to the class. Yes, this is a keyboard. Please find a keyboard word and match it with the picture. That's right. Good job, Anam. Well done. Everyone who is not doing the worksheet, Aham, where were you, beta? I was asking you the question. Now, Aham, you tell me, what is the fourth picture name? What is the fourth picture name? Hello, Aham, can you hear my voice? I can't hear your voice, beta. Check the microphone, plug out the microphone pin and then plug it again. Arham, come closer to the microphone.
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you now. Can you answer me what is the fourth picture name? What is this picture name called? Huh?
Mouse.
Well done. That's right. This is the correct option.
Keyboard.
Yes, that's right.
CPU.
Yes.
Printout. Monitor.
Good job. Now, you all know the four important parts are CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Please match the following four parts with their name, correct name. Find it over here and match it. Good job, Hamza. Oh, you done the coloring also. You are super. Oh, fast. Yes, Haram, that's right. Now, the last two parts. We are going to study the last two parts. Yes, the last two parts. Can anyone tell me what is the fifth part called? Haya Saleh, can you tell me what is the fifth part called? This one.
Keypad.
A speaker. That's right. Good job, Haya. Nice one. Everyone, speaker is for you to listening music and voices. Just like now you are hearing my voice with the help of a speaker. Without speaker, you can't hear the voices or you can't watch the video with listening. If you watch the video, you cannot hear the voices without speakers. So remember, a speaker is for you to listen music and voices. Okay, Hamza? If we are not done with the worksheet, come back. Come back. Hamza, come back. Yes, Arham. Did you remember what I tell you right now? You guys remember speaker is for listening music and voices? Yes. Oh, nice pose, Hamza. You are done. You're tired. Do you want me to send you a juice? Nice, Anam. You are done. Good job, girl. You are smiling very sharp, very prettily. Okay. Hamza, come here. Come here. Oh my God. You're an angry bird. You're not coming on the screen. What should I do? Should I show you a video? The last part. After the last part, I will show you a video. Come, please. I'll show a very nice and interesting video. You can also play games on the computer. You know that? You can also play. Yes, yes, Anam. That's right. The last part, Anam. The last part. You want to tell the last part? Anyone else left? Anyone else is left to tell the answer? Yes, Anam. Answer me. What is the last part called? What is the last picture called?
Printer.
Good job. Yes, that's right. Good job, Hamza. Now it's your turn to tell me what is printer used for?
क्या बोले क्या बोले
Can you tell me why we use printer? I'm asking you, can you explain it to me why we use printer? Do you know what is printer used for? हम printer क्यों use करते हैं? Do you know?
सॉफ्ट कॉपी
Copy.
Hello, I can't hear you. Please louder.
Copy.
Very nice. For the copies you have. Okay. Do you have worksheet in your hand? Yes. This is made on computer, but in your hand is the printout of the worksheet I made on the computer for you guys. Yes. It is printout with the help of a printer. It is printout. Printer is used to print out the pages. You put the white blank page.
प्रिंट आउट
You put the white blank page, blank means empty page, on the printer, and you click on the print pages on the computer, and the computer print out the pages. Just like you are watching me, I'm watching you too. Now this is, find out the printer. Printer spelling is Printer. 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 And the speaker spelling is Speakers. Speakers. That's it for the class, everyone. I'm going to show you a little short video for you to understand a little basic concept of a speaker and computer, speaker and printer. Wait, I'm going to play the video. Here you are, everyone. Get set ready to watch the video.
नई नेस्टल एक्टिव 3 में शामिल है कैल्शियम 2 फैटी एसिड्स जो बढ़ाए कैल्शियम की एब्जॉर्प्शन और 100% लैक्टोज जो
Okay. Everyone watch the video of computer parts.
parts of a computer. Hello there. Can you wave your arm and say hi to me?
Can you do that, everyone?
Did you
Hi.
notice that you used your arm and hand to wave and your mouth to speak? I can see that your body has different parts. I see eyes, ears, a nose, mouth, hands, and legs. Do the eyes and ears have the same function? No. All these body parts perform different functions. Now take a look at computer body parts. Just like the human body, a computer also has different parts which have their own specific functions. The main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. We can also connect a printer and speakers to a computer. These parts together make up the computer system. The monitor of a computer is like a television and displays the work of computer. Movies, cartoons, and videos can be seen on the monitor. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the black box connected to the computer.
Remember the CPU full form, Central Processing Unit, CPU. I'm watching every one of you. Don't leave your chair. Come back.
Just like the brain controls the entire body, the CPU controls the computer. In fact, without the CPU, the computer would not even start. So the CPU is called the brain of a computer. How do you dial a number on a mobile phone or use a calculator? You have to press keys on a keypad to type the numbers. Similarly, to type letters and numbers on the computer, we need a keypad. The keyboard is used for this. It has different keys that perform various functions. The mouse is a pointing device that allows you to point and click anywhere on the monitor screen. It consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. The mouse pointer is an arrow on the computer screen which moves as you move the mouse. The mouse can also be used to draw pictures. When you write a letter to your friend on the computer, it can be seen only on the screen. But if you want, you can print this letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. With speakers, the computer can turn into a music system and you can listen to your favorite music on it. So you see how the different parts of the computer work together to do the work. Just like the different parts of the body work together to make it function.
Everyone, in next class, I'm going to ask you what are body parts and computer parts work like that. Just like our ears, what are ears used for listening music? Tell me which part of the computer is here for that. And for the eyes to see, which part is used as eyes for us in computer. For the keyboard, for the typing, which parts work like that in our hands. Compare the body parts with the computer parts and tell me which parts have a similarities. Okay, you have watched this video. I'm gonna upload this video also in the homework portal. You can watch it there and you can remember which part I'm talking about. Okay, match the part of body with the computer and remember to tell me next time which part we is comparison. Okay, कौन से part हमारे body part के साथ match करते हैं? You have to tell me next time. Okay, everyone. This is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy and do the part. Okay. Next time, I want the smiling faces of you, and I'm gonna ask the video with the picture of your. आपने बनानी है क्या computer parts पे coloring? You have to do the coloring on computer parts which you have already in the worksheet. Okay, Hamza. Oh my God. Okay, every one of you, please take care and remember to share the picture of your worksheet in the homework portal. Okay, take a picture of your homework worksheet which we have done today. Take a picture of the worksheet which we done today. Take a picture of it and send it to me on the homework. Okay, homework portal of the school. Remember to send me the homework portal of the school. Okay, this is the assignment. Next time I'm gonna take a quiz. Next time I'm gonna take a quiz. Test hoga next time. Okay, you have to answer me on there, and I will be giving you marking. Nobody is going to ask anyone. You have to answer me honestly. Honestly, Hamza. Honestly, yes. You have to ask me honestly. Yes, Anam. Everyone, be prepared next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Yes, Anam, I saw you. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave, wavy hands. I want to see wavy hands. Kasim, what are you doing? Look it to me. Yes. Smiling. Nice smile, Kasim. Yes, Hamza. What is this? What you're talking? Should I unmute your mic? Yes. Anyone have a
Bye bye.
question? No? Okay, everyone. Take care of yourself.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Take care.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.